So this is basically very similar to version 1.0 of the Go Drum. It's version 2.0. I'll just play it quickly to give you a vibe. So there you go. Works basically the same way. And if you look, it has a tom here, it has a tom there, has a snare on top. It has the kick coming from the right-hand side at a right angle. It has the string drawn hi-hat here on the side, and it has a cymbal. So in most ways it's the same. This is on an arm, this is on an arm, but the differences begin when you kind of come a little closer into the unit and look at it from above and from the inside. So we'll do that now. So here's where things become a little different on this version 2.0. The snare, instead of being stationary, is actually a lid. You open up the lid and you can see that it tunes by means of tension rods the same way as before, but this high tom is not on an arm, it just flops into the case. This low tom similarly is not on an arm, it just flops into the case. This cymbal is on an arm, but the arm collapses into the case like this, instead of the cymbal coming off, right, as it did in the old version. This hi-hat sinks into the case like that, right, and now the whole thing can be shut like that, and it still maintains its square form. And I'm going to take you to the side of the unit to see the sort of last difference. Actually, it's the same. So I'll show it to you right now. You'll notice that on the side, I have this pedal, just the way that we had on the other one. It attaches by 2 slots as opposed to 1, which is fine. But like this can store inside of the unit now. Like I can put this pedal inside the unit. I can do the same thing for the kick pedal, and that's sort of those are really the main differences. Now, also on this unit, you'll notice that I've mounted the legs on the outside of the body, but that's fine. They could still be on the inside of the body. That's really the main difference between the two Go Drums, and I'll just redo it just so you can see how it comes out. Up comes the snare, out comes the hi-hat, and is put in position, and then out comes this cymbal, which goes in there like that. Out comes a tom, out comes another tom. Close the lid, and you're kind of back in action. So let me know what you think of this video.